Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi hand rolls. First, lay a half sheet of nori, shiny side down, on a clean surface. Spread a thin, even layer of seasoned sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving 1/3 empty. This foundation is crucial for a well-structured hand roll. Remember to keep your hands slightly damp to prevent the rice from sticking. Now, let's talk about your fillings. Arrange your chosen ingredients like thinly sliced avocado, crisp cucumber, or fresh sashimi-grade fish in a line across the rice. Don't overfill. A small amount, perhaps 2 or 3 different items, works best for a balanced flavor and easy rolling. Think about complementary textures and tastes for a delightful bite. To roll, pick up the bottom left corner of the nori and fold it diagonally over your fillings, creating a cone shape. Continue rolling tightly towards the top right corner, tucking in any stray ingredients as you go. Use a tiny bit of water on the final edge of the nori to seal it securely. This technique ensures a firm, delicious hand roll that holds together beautifully. Your delicious sushi hand rolls are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately to savor the fresh ingredients and crisp nori. Offer traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some pickled ginger on the side. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.